We're stuck in a system where the money dictates whose records get played on the radio. You have to give a man money and he will play your record.
Payola is play for pay. Play for pay.
Maybe them suppress certain music or certain people who cannot afford to be part of that system. How will you be heard then on the airways in Jamaica? How will you be heard if you're doing songs that are not getting played?
You feel subjugated under this system. You're not really liberating and feel like you're living a life of self-worth. You feel like you're being trodden down under. So it's Babylon. It's captive.
Yo, a man say captive. I got them a banana. Captive. Say man a rude boys and gangsta. Captive.